we are. We're gonna start right about here. That'll be the top of her cowl. There you go, and here are her bat ears. One, bring it on down there, and two right there. Very nice. All right, now what we're gonna do is continue here, and we're gonna draw her eyes. So we're gonna draw one eye here, and then we're gonna go up and draw another eye here like that. And we're gonna bring that on down like this, and this will be the bottom of her mask. Right there, like that. There we go, and Batgirl's got some beautiful eyes, so she's got some nice eyelashes here like that. And then we could do the same over here on this one here, just like that. All right, and bring that on down and finish her mask off there. And we'll do the same here like that. And then Batgirl's got a rest of her face here. There's her chin. And we'll bring that on up like this. Right back up to her top of her cowl there where the ears are. And now her mask can be here. A little nose for her there. And a great big smile, because Batgirl's a smiley girl, she is, just like that. All right, now we can draw some eyes. Eyeballs, rather. There we go, there's one. Another one here like that. And now we can draw the pupil. One there. Another there. And perhaps a highlight in there. And we could color that in if you like. Makes the eyes look a little better. There we go. We're getting there. All right, now we can draw Batgirl's arms. We'll put her in her cape stance where she's preying on her victims, or the villains, I should say. Here we go, there's her arm with her bat hands, her fingers here holding her cape. There we go, and that'll be her thumb here like this, just like that. That looks good. And then we could bring our arms down just like that. Just a straight line almost all the way down. All right. And now what we can do is maybe draw some hair. So behind her cowl, she's got her hair sticking out. What we can do is bring it on down like here. Just like this. Some beautiful red hair she's got, just like that. Just so we know where it is. All right. And now we'll bring the other arm up here like this. Okay. Make our fingers here, holding the cape that she's gonna have here in her arms, just like this. Then bring that down like that. And now we could draw the lines for her gloves here, and here. And these batarang things would be behind her here like that. There we go. This is looking nice. All right, now what we're gonna do is draw a body. So here we go, there's a chest here like this. And then we're gonna bring this down here like this, all a little wavy like. Here we go, that's nice. And then we can draw her feet, or her legs I should say. One there. And then what we're gonna do is draw her bat belt though. Forgot to do the bat belt. We don't want to forget that. That's a big part of Batgirl. There we go, just like that. Maybe some utility bits here like this. Whatever you like, some pockets. There we go. Maybe a bit of a buckle here like that. And some bits over here like that. I like it. All right, we can continue our leg down here like that. And then what we're gonna do is she's dancing like this. There we go. Foot there like that. Bring it on up like here. There's a knee. Bring that bit up here like this. And then we'll do the same over here with this leg. Just like that. And then we can bring this down. There's the other foot. Just like that. And bring that around like that. All right, now we can draw our boots here. A little wiggly woos there, just like that. All righty, we're looking nice. I like this. Just finish her hair up and match it to the body there. We could draw a bat insignia here, just like this. There we go. that's nice. All right, here we go. Now all we've got to do is draw her cape. All right, so the cape will come up here like this, just like the Batgirl does. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Join that up. A little bit of cape bits here like that. All right, and then we could do the same over here. 1, 2, and over here like that. And if you like, put it between her legs there like that. There we go. Again, cape bits here like that. And if you like, draw some texture in there. Very nice. I like it, everybody. If you like to, you can draw some lips on her, or teeth, as you will. Looking nice, looking good. All right, everybody, let's get to the color. Batgirl has light skin, red lips and hair, yellow boots, belt and gloves, purple suit and cowl. Inside cape is brown. Green eyes. Thanks, everyone.